Primary sources are first-hand testimonies or direct evidence from people who had a direct connection with a period in time or an event. It is important to use a mix of both primary and secondary sources whenever conducting research. Britannica Library provides a range of primary sources, including historical documents, famous speeches, and original research. So first of all, let me show you how to access them. Going to the yellow search bar at the top of the page, I'm going to do a search for the topic of World War I. I've pressed enter on the keyboard, and that will then bring up the search results page. In order to access the primary sources, you'll need to click on the last tab that says More. When you select that, this drop-down menu will then appear, and as you can see, we've then got the primary sources and ebooks. So when I click into this, you will then see 1,600 results of both primary sources and Project Gutenberg ebooks, all linked to the topic of World War I. So these include things such as historical documents, famous speeches, and letters from soldiers. To reference another subject area, we also have essays from academic thinkers such as scientists and psychologists. For example, if I were to do a search for Charles Darwin, and repeat the process by clicking on the word More, and then the primary sources and ebooks, I've now got 783 results of academic articles and works from himself. And lastly, you are able to access any literature ebooks that are outside of copyright. So these include classical works such as Shakespeare, Jane Austen, and Lewis Carroll. I've done a search for William Shakespeare, and I've now got 155 results of primary sources and ebooks linked to him, including full copies of digital text. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you found this short tutorial on Britannica Library primary sources and ebooks useful for all of your future research.